Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Children, in today's session, let us discuss lesson 9, the zebra's pajamas. So, the theme of the lesson is art and culture. Here, have you ever wondered why zebras always wear pajamas? Of course, they cannot now remove them. They have become a part of their skin. But long ago, in the days when animals behaved like humans in the great animal world, there lived a horse family. There were the brothers Stalin, Mule, and little zebra and their sister Palomino. So here, have you ever wondered that why these zebras will wear pajamas? We find all the straps on zebra's body. So here the author feels those straps as a pajama. So he is asking a question to us that have you ever wondered that zebras always wear pajamas? So why do they wear pajamas? Of course, now they have become a part of their skin. They couldn't remove the pajama. So what is the story behind wearing the pajama? Now let us learn in detail. Long ago, when animals are behaving like human in the great animal world, there lived a horse family, and in the family there were brothers, and the names of the brothers were Stalin, Mule, and Little Zebra. And they had one sister, her name was Palomino. Now we'll see what happened to them. Stalin and Palomino were wild creatures, always on the move. They loved nature and fresh air and would get up early in the morning just to go for a romp. Known to be restless, they could never stand still for long, and they always took an active part in whatever was happening around them. So, out of 3 brothers and 1 sister, here one of the brothers, Stalin, as well as the sister, Palomino, they were very active. They were the wild creatures. Creatures mean the living organism. So, both were the brother Stalin and sister Palomino were wild creatures. Always they liked to move. Always they liked very much to move. So, they wandered in the animal world from the morning to till night. So they woke up early in the morning and then they loved to go out and enjoy the nature. So they were always restless, always they were busy, and never they loved to stand still, like without any movement they can't stand for the long time. And also they took active participation in all the events that were happening around in the world, in the animal world. Next, Mule, though not as wild as his brother Stalin and sister Palomino, nevertheless had a wild streak in him, which showed itself in the most unexpected moments. He was known to be stubborn but could work hard. Now here Stalin and Palomino, the one brother and sister, they were very active. They moved always. They never liked to take rest. Now coming to the next brother, that is the Mule. Mule was not active like his brother and sister Palomino, but it loved to do many of the things. He did many unexpected moments. He has spent many of the unexpected moments. He seems to be very stubborn but worked very hard. So Mule was a hard worker, whereas Stalin and Palomino were active workers. So Stalin and Palomino were active workers and Mule was a hard worker. Now coming to Little Zebra, the youngest of the 4 was very different from his brothers and sister. He did not work like Mule, he was not active like Stalin and Palomino. All he did was swish his tail and lazy about the house. So here, one of the brothers Stalin and the sister Palomino were very active, whereas the Mule was not that much active, but he was very hard-working nature. Now the leftover is Little Zebra. Now coming to Little Zebra, he Neither worked hard like Mule, nor he was very active like Stalin and Palomino. Only he wished to stay at home and he was very, very lazy. Just he swizz his tail and take rest in the house. Next. In the mornings, when his brothers and sister would go out for a run, little Zebra could be seen wearing his night pyjamas and he would refuse to join them. Every day in the morning, when his brothers and sister would go out for a run, here the little zebra always wears night pyjama and he would refuse to join them in the run. At night, when Stalin and Palomino would go for an after dinner gallop, Zebra would again refuse to join them, saying that he was feeling sleepy and he would promptly change into his pyjamas and go to sleep. So, in the morning, when brothers and sister were going out for a run, but Zebra seems to be very lazy and always refused to join them in the run. Even at night, when Stalin and Palomino would go out for a gallop, that is to run fast after the dinner, Zebra would refuse them. So neither it went to walking in the morning nor in the evening. Always he says that he was feeling very sleepy. So even they too left Zebra, the younger one, at home only. So always Zebra refused to change his pyjama. Zebra used to sleep in his pyjama at his home only. Next, little Zebra more or less lived in his pyjamas. However, as he was the youngest, his brothers and sister never said anything to him, and so he grew lazier and lazier. So like that, Little Zebra always refused to come out along with his brothers or sister. Always Zebra lived in the house wearing the pyjama. As Zebra was the youngest of all the four brothers and sisters, they never said anything to Zebra as he was the younger one. All they have pampered. With that, what happened? Zebra has become lazier and lazier. Then what happened? We'll see. One day, the king of the animal world called all the animals for a meeting. It was to decide how the kingdom should be ruled. All the animals were to take part in making the decisions. The house family naturally was also called. Now what happened one day? The king of the animal world, that is the lion, called all the animals for the meeting. So in the meeting, lion want to decide that how the kingdom should be ruled. So each and every animal living in the animal kingdom should take part in the meeting so that they can be a part of decision making. So lion has invited all the animals. Even lion invited the horse family also. Then Stalin and Palomino woke up earlier than usual, went for their morning run and were ready for the meeting. Mule too woke up early enough, did all his work and got ready for the meeting. Little Zebra was still in his pyjamas. So as the king of the animal kingdom called for the meeting, here Stalin and Palomino, they woke up early in the morning and went out for the run, and then they came back and get ready very soon. Even the mule also woke up early, did all the works and get ready for the meeting. But here little Zebra was still in his pyjamas only. Mule nugged Zebra. His brother Stalin and sister Palomino prodded him, but he just refused to get up. How he was never able to wake up early in the morning. They left him at home and went off to the meeting, but they were scared of what would happen. Now what happened? Mule nugged Zebra, said that please you have to come for the meeting. Even brother Stalin and sister Palomino also, they have poked him to come to meeting. But what happened here? Zebra refused them. It refused to get up early because Zebra never had a habit to woke up early in the morning. So what happened here? They requested Zebra and finally two brothers and sister left Zebra at home only, and they went off to attend the meeting. But they were very scared that what would happen as Zebra is not attending the meeting. Then, sure enough, the king noticed Zebra's absence. He was furious to find that someone could disobey him. He demanded that Zebra be brought to him immediately. Now, what happened? All the animals gathered in the meeting, and it was led by the lion. Now, lion has noticed that Zebra was absent, so he became very angry on Zebra for disobeying his order. So he demanded Zebra's brothers and sister that bring Zebra immediately to the meeting. Next, Stalin ran home as fast as he could, woke up Zebra and told him that the king had ordered him to come immediately. Poor Zebra was so scared that he ran as he had never run before and even forgot to change his pyjamas. Now what happened with the decision that as the king ordered to call Zebra immediately, your brother Stalin ran home very fastly to bring his brother Zebra. And he went home very fastly and informed to Zebra about the king's order. Now poor Zebra was also very scared that what would happen to him. So he also ran very fastly to the meeting. Never in his life he ran like that. So he ran very fastly and even he forgot to change his pyjama. Next, the king, seeing Zebra in his pyjamas, became even angry. The king, seeing Zebra in his pyjamas, became even angrier. He shouted at Zebra for delaying the meeting and daring to come before me in your pyjamas. You will now never be able to remove them. Your descendants too will forever have to wear them. And to this day, zebras wear pyjamas. Now, king saw Zebra attending the meeting in pyjama. So by seeing that lion has become very angry that already Zebra has not attended the meeting, and then now Zebra came to meeting in pyjama. By seeing that, lion shouted on Zebra that it's too much that you did not attend my meeting, and even after my call you attended the meeting in pyjama. So you never be able to remove your pyjama. Even your descendants, that is the future generation, will also wear pyjama, which will become a part of your skin. From now onwards, you are not able to remove your pyjama. So from that day onwards, zebras are wearing pyjama. Okay children, that is about the lesson, and this beautiful lesson was written by Vishwajita Das. So this is about why zebras wear pyjama. Hope you all have understood the lesson children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to tomorrow's session, we will revise lesson 9, Zebra's Pyjama. Now coming to today's homework, read lesson 9, the zebra's pyjama. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.